Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to make you a little video about making videos. So with the dissolution or suspension of Tegrity, I just wanted to throw this out here to give you a few options that I think are pretty reasonable. One thing that I want to make you aware of, and this is what I use, is a website called ScreenPal.com. Used to be called Screencast-O-Matic. They do now have a little free recording area. I have not used that one. I actually use the paid subscription to it, so it's fairly reasonable. So you might want to give this one a try. It's really super easy to edit and everything else. So I'm not going to even show you how to edit because it's just so simple. I think you'll get it if you opt for this this option. Let me show you a different option. If you do not want to do another video editor, one of the things that you can do is when you are in one of the modules, okay? I can come over here and I can click on Create New. It's going to seem odd, but I'm going to click on HTML document, okay? And then right here, this little icon, if you click on that, right here, you've got Add a Video Note, okay? You will allow your camera, and then again, you can see that it's going to do a recording. It'll turn on your camera. The only thing about this one, though, is it's going to be you on that one. So just wanted to give you a heads up on that. But this one right here actually records your screen and will overlay your voice over top of it. So this is the one that I use. You'll start to notice that a lot of my videos and things are out here on YouTube, and I come down here and just realize that it's like you have access to a YouTube channel as well. So let me actually show you where you can find that. If you're in Chrome, over here on the right hand side, you'll notice here that I am logged in under my CPCC email, okay? And I type in YouTube, and notice right here it says your channel. Now, the only thing that I'm not really sure about, I have not been using this one. I've been using my personal Gmail account. So it concerns me what will happen to this YouTube account once your CPCC account goes away. So I'm hesitant to even suggest that you start a YouTube channel here. But again, all I've done here is I'm in Chrome. The difference is I'm just simply logged in as under my personal Gmail, okay? And then again, I click on my channel, and this is where all of my stuff is. So I'm sitting here, you know, I can click on playlist, and here's all my playlists. And, you know, I'm getting everything ready to go for the new semester. So I am downloading or recording and uploading my ACC 120 videos to YouTube, and I am getting my Intermediate 2 recordings uploaded to YouTube as well. So just wanted to throw that out there and give you some options. So hopefully that works for you, and hope to see you soon.